I am Shyanne and this is my cell model presentation. A plant cell helps the plant to eat, grow, get sunlight, and other things. Animal cells help the animal to digest their food, grow, move, and more. A cell wall protects a cell in a plant. The cell wall is a hard structure that things can bump into and not hurt the cell. A cell membrane controls what substances go in and out of the cell. The cell membrane is like clothes. It lets air go through, but not leaves and dirt and other substances. I'm going to start with my plant cell. In my plant cell is my cell wall, which is right here, and my cell membrane is all this tissue paper. My nucleus is right here. My mitochondria is right here, which is like a powerhouse because it says that it's like a powerhouse. So I made it look like a powerhouse. And my chloroplast is right here, are these little green pom-poms right through here. And then my cytoplasm is all this orange stuff that dried up. It was slime though. In my animal cell, I have my cell membrane, which is the tissue paper again, and then my nucleus right here, and then my mitochondria is this, and then my chloroplasts are not in an animal cell because they're just for plant cells, and so is the cell wall. And then cytoplasm is all the orange stuff that is not dried up this time, and it is slime. A cell wall is something that protects the plant cell. A cell membrane controls what substances enter and exit the cell. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. The mitochondria acts as a powerhouse, so that's where all of the energy for the animal or plant to do, like move, grow, that's where it comes from. And then the chloroplast captures the energy from the sun. And the cytoplasm is like what everything sits in and what holds everything together. I'm going to compare a cell with a school. The school has a structure of a building which is like the cell wall. The walls of the inside is like the cell membrane because the walls are everywhere. The nucleus is like the office because everyone has to go through the office before you can go into the school. The furnace room is like the mitochondria because that's where we get our heat and electricity from. The chloroplast would be the cafeteria because that's where we get our food from.